Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the Q&A session 25 from the playlist of Laws of Motion. The topic is the calculation of force from the displacement vector equation of a particle. And based on this topic, I have selected one question from one of my reference books. So the question here is the force acting on a particle of mass small m if the displacement vector of it is given by this equation, that is this r in bracket t, this is equal to a cos omega t I cap plus b sin omega t j cap is. So we have to basically calculate the force acting on the particle with the help of this displacement vector equation. So here the displacement of the particle at any moment of time is equal to a cos omega t I cap plus b sin omega t j cap. So if I differentiate this equation with respect to t, then I will be getting the instantaneous velocity, which is equal to d upon dt, and this will be d. That is, I have differentiated this r with respect to t, and by differentiating it, I will be getting the instantaneous velocity. So this will be equal to the differentiation of cos omega t will be equal to omega sin omega t, and this will be minus I cap plus this will be equal to the differentiation of sin omega t will be equal to omega cos omega t. So I will be getting b omega cos omega t j cap. Now if I differentiate this equation with respect to t again, so I will be getting the instantaneous acceleration. So this is equal to dv upon dt will be equal to the instantaneous acceleration, and this will be equal to minus a, the differentiation of sin omega t will be omega cos omega t. So I will be getting minus a omega square cos omega t I cap plus the differentiation of cos omega t is minus omega sin omega t. So I will be getting the value here as minus b omega square sin omega t j cap. So here I can take minus omega square as common, and I will be getting in bracket a cos omega t I cap plus b sin omega t j cap, and this is equal to the displacement of this particle at any moment of time, which is equal to r. So the instantaneous acceleration of this particle will be equal to minus omega square r, and the force acting on the particle will be equal to, the force is equal to mass into acceleration, so this will be equal to minus m omega square r. So the correct option here is A. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session, I will be coming up with a different type of a numerical problem from one of my reference book. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.